YouTube, Matthew here. I know I've been uploading a lot of videos within the past day or two, but I'm showing you the aftermath of the storm. We got someone just about got in a wreck, but yeah, it was flooded up over here. There was all kinds of branches out in the road. Let me zoom in. There's not a lot of them out there anymore. Watch this, car's about to run them over. That big old truck just ran them over. Look, that driveway's practically flooded. The street down there's practically, it was flooded. There was cops out here earlier because someone got in a wreck on the corner. Wait a minute. Fucking garbage truck. We had quarter-size hail. And I know who that was. That was my friend Josh. I don't want to talk to him anymore though. He's a fag. So I don't even know why I call him friend. Really, my only friends I got is my dude DH and KW. I can't go show you up back right now because I'm in my socks and it's all fucking wet. Yeah, it was a badass storm. I almost got struck by lightning. Surprised the fucking power didn't go out because it struck this telephone pole over here. And nothing even happened. And it was fucking amazing to see it strike that and nothing happened. Yep, well, YouTube, I'm gonna get off here. I'll have more videos later on tonight or of something, I don't know what. For now, peace.